One of the good things about building your website with Thrive Theme Builder and Thrive Architect is that these two tools are able to talk to each other in a magical way to sync your brand colors and make use of them in all of the templates that we provide for you. Let me just show you how smart colors work inside Thrive Suite. As usual, before we start, let me just quickly remind you that we put out a couple of videos each week about business, marketing, and web design and development, and that you're more than welcome to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for those. Okay, let me break down what you should be doing when you're building your site with Thrive Suite. And if you've already built your site with Thrive Suite but haven't done this, follow along because you can still replicate what I'm about to show you. Here's the thing. One of the first things that you should be doing when you're setting up your site with Thrive Theme Builder is power through the theme wizard. Even I, to this day, I still love powering through the theme wizard, even if I'm going to be building my pages from scratch without making use of any templates. The wizard allows me to quickly create all of the pages that I need, including my homepage, my blog page, my blog posts designs, and so forth and so on. And of course, it also lets me pick out my primary brand color. This brand color that you get to select during the wizard setup is important because Thrive Theme Builder is going to use this color when it generates all of your different page templates, not just by using it as a primary color for your buttons, borders, dividers, but it's also going to come up with smart contrasting colors that play along well with your primary brand color. So this is step one to understanding how smart colors work inside Thrive Suite. Your brand color determines the color scheme for your Thrive Theme Builder page templates. Not to worry, you can fully customize these in the following way. If we open up one of our templates with Thrive Theme Builder, you'll notice that there's a style panel on the right-hand side toolbar. If you click on it, here you'll see your primary brand color again, which you can change if you want, but you also get to see all of the different colors that Thrive Theme Builder has come up for text elements, for your dividers, for neutral backgrounds, etc. Now, keep in mind that when you're editing the styles panel of one of your theme templates, whether that's your page template, your blog post design, or so forth and so on, these styles are global, which means that you're editing them for all of your templates, not just the one that you're currently working on. This means that if you change the color for your dividers on your default page template, that is also going to change the color of your dividers in your blog template. Okay, there's one more thing about color at the global level that you should know. You see, when you're building out your pages with Thrive Architect, you're going to notice that you have the option of creating global colors. But what exactly are these? Well, these are colors that you can repurpose and use anywhere on your website to create consistency across your pages. But what really makes global colors special is that if you were to ever decide that you want to change the color of every element that uses a specific global color, for example, every background section or content box, you don't have to go in and edit each element one by one. You can just go into the style section of Thrive Theme Builder, and here you will find all of your global colors listed and you can easily modify them. So it's a great idea for you to build out a color system of which elements are going to be using which global sections. You may want to do this with buttons or content boxes so that if you ever want to switch colors, you know which elements will be modified by modifying each global color. Okay, so we've talked about global colors, your primary brand color, the styles panel inside your Thrive Theme Builder templates, and I want to finish up talking about Thrive Architect pre-built landing pages. You should treat landing pages that have been designed by our team of professional designers as separate pages that don't follow any kind of guideline established by your theme. These pages by default won't inherit any of your brand styling, and at most, you can have them inherit your theme's typography settings. So if you were to open up a pre-built landing page from us and you toggle the styles panel for it, you'll notice how these colors don't match your theme's colors. We do this to protect the aesthetics and the design of the landing page, but you can obviously customize everything and anything about them. Hopefully this has given you a little bit of a better idea as to how you should be using your primary brand color, global colors, and so forth and so on. If you build a color system for your site, in the long run, it will be worth it because you won't have to spend as much time inserting hex codes every time you drop an element on your page. You can just quickly toggle a global color for it and you're good to go. Anyways, there's a link in the description box down below that you can click on if you want to grab a license for Thrive Architect today. And hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And yeah, I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It's been a pleasure as usual. and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.